everyone, kumusta kayong lahat? Nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa aming kitchen! Which means, yes, it's time again for another cooking vlog. On today's episode, I will be cooking Bicol Express. Suggestion to ng kapwa nating YouTuber na si Carlo Madera.
Napakaraming tao dito ngayon sa Lucky Chinatown.
So, kumusta dyan? Maraming salamat sa pag-suggest. First time ko itong gagawin actually. If you guys want to check his channel, I will put his link on my description box below. And shoutout din pala kay Jera Galiero.
Hey guys, yes, it's me, Jera.
Siya yung nag-suggest na maglagay ako ng title sa cooking vlogs ko. He suggested Kusina ni Jang, so I will be using that. Pero i-Englishin natin lang konti para sa mga viewers natin na pang-international, di ba? So I'll be calling this Jang's Kitchen. Okay. Pwede na yun. Excited na ako para sa recipe na to. So, let me get started with the ingredients. So, basically guys, nag-start na ako magluto ng pork. Inuna ko na siya kasi alam niyo naman yung pork, medyo matagal siyang luto. Una, syempre, hindi mawawala sa lutuing Pinoy yung garlic and yung onion. At syempre, dahil Bicol Express ang gagawin natin, hindi pwede mawala ang shrimp paste or yung bagoong and yung coconut milk. Para naman sa pampaanghang, I'll be using jalapeno peppers. You can use siling labuyo or yung finger chilies bing tawag doon, masiling haba. Some uses Thai chili peppers or serrano peppers. Kung ano yung prefer nyo, okay lang. But I'll be using jalapeno kasi mild lang yung spiciness ng jalapeno. And syempre gagamit tayo ng salt and pepper for flavoring. Ito optional lang to. I'll be using lemongrass. Pwede nyo gamitin or hindi naman nata talaga nilalagay ng lemongrass yung Bicol Express, pero I will be using lemongrass for additional flavoring lang. So ayan, mukhang naluluto na yung pork. So puti-puti na siya. Siguro pwede na natin ilagay yung garlic and yung onion. So let's start putting the garlic first. Next one, nalagay natin yung onion. Ginger, nilagay ko na rin. So yun guys, nakikita nyo, medyo naluluto na yung pork pero I think I need to cook it more. Gusto ko siya maging medyo golden brown or maybe brownish yung color. That way I know na lutong-luto na siya. So at this point guys, pwede natin siya lagyan ng shrimp paste. Siguro dahan-dahan lang tayo sa paglagay nito kasi, you know, maalat yung shrimp paste, diba? So I'll be putting probably 1.5 tablespoon ng shrimp paste. Next up, lalagyan na natin yung jalapeno peppers. And then pwede natin isunod yung coconut milk. So probably that's 3 cups of coconut milk. Or isang can lang yung ginamit ko. Right here. Palagay ko na lang siya din. Alright, so basically guys, tatakpan na lang natin siya. Hintayin natin maluto. Depende sa inyo kung gusto nyong may sauce. Ako siguro hintayin kong mag-evaporate yung coconut milk. Okay, so habang hinihintay natin maluto yung Bicol Express, manood muna tayo ng mga bagong upload na videos. Pinapanood ko ngayon sila Wandering Waffle Heads. So looks like bagong upload tong video nilang to sa roaming around Busan. Ooh.
This is my first time to be in South Korea in my adult life. I used to live here as a kid, but that was way long ago. Don't remember much, except for the street food.
This reminds me of Train to Busan. May utang pala akong shoutout kay Joel Viva. And shoutout sa'yo bro. So look at that. medyo lumambot na yung jalapeno peppers, which means parang umalo na rin yung flavor niya. Alright guys, so kumuha na ako ng konti for tasting. Hindi na pala ako nag-rice paggabi, so tingnan na natin siya. I think it's really good. Hindi siya maalat. Tama lang nilagay kong shrimp paste. Hindi rin siya masyadong maanghang kasi jalapeno yung ginamit kong peppers. And hindi din siya milky. So, saktong-sakto lang yung flavor niya. It's not really bad for first time cooking Bicol Express. And one thing, tamang-tama lang yung pagka-tender ng pork. Alright, so this is where I end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoy my cooking. And you can actually try this recipe at home if you like. Madali lang naman siya lutuin. Madami pa akong cooking na gagawin. So sana patuloy kayong sumuporta sa channel ko. Again, thank you so much guys. See ya!